First at 4, breaking news less than an hour ago. Nathan Wade stepped down as special prosecutor in the ongoing Georgia election interference case against former President Donald Trump and others. Good afternoon, and thanks for being with us for 11 Alive News at 4. I'm Jennifer Bellamy in for Faith Jesse tonight.
And I'm Jonathan Martin. Now, Wade's resignation comes after Judge Scott McAfee ruled that either he or Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis had to step down.
We have team coverage tonight, beginning with investigator Zach Merchant, who has a legal perspective on how we got to today's ruling and Wade's decision.
You're right, and there has been a lot of twists and turns even just today, and we want to bring you the very latest. Just in the last half hour, we've obtained a copy of Nathan Wade's resignation letter and DA Fani Willis's note accepting it. That means Wade is now off of the case, and Willis and the remainder of her staff can continue to prosecute it. Now, here's how we got here. The pair, who shared a romantic relationship, were accused by defense attorneys of improperly financially benefiting from the case, creating what they said was a conflict of interest that damaged their ability to impartially prosecute it. But Judge McAfee ruled against that argument, finding that any financial gain flowing from the DA's office to Nathan Wade in his role as hired special prosecutor was, quote, not a motivating factor on the part of the district attorney to indict and prosecute this case. However, the judge also wrote that the relationship, the contract, and testimony provided at earlier hearings, quote, established that the district attorney's prosecution is encumbered by an appearance of impropriety, adding that a major source of that appearance was Nathan Wade's own conduct and testimony. Atlanta defense attorney Bob Rubin says avoiding even the appearance of impropriety is always important in the justice system, and even more so when a case deals with major political issues like this one.
In fact, the very subject matter of the case itself was the 2020 election. And so people have to have confidence that the justice system, if it's going to poke its head into the election process, does so fairly and equitably to all parties.
Now that Wade has stepped down from the case, Judge McAfee's order says Willis and the rest of her team can continue prosecuting it. Some legal experts have suggested the defense team may still file an appeal of the judge's ruling, so it may not be the last we hear of this issue, but a sign that the focus may be returning to the road ahead towards trial.